285 Windmill Croft. Paver driveway. So that's the Chevron on the other side. That's a Ford Apache. Pavers all the way up. So, tile, grout looks good. We have these 2.5 inch faux wood blinds. Baseboard looks good. The paint is just off-white, which we like. I don't know. Here, maybe these lights. There's just so many light switches. There we go. So, looks pretty good. Counters look very nice, as do the cabinets, appliances, flooring. We have these really cool vertical sliders. We have a pet door here. No, you cannot smell any pets. We have a good size patio slab, or patio pavers. Some really cute landscaping. This is the side of the house that gets sun pretty much all day. And of course that's fake grass. So very cute landscaped minimal maintenance yard. Nice raised panel doors. Also note the texture on the walls. I've been seeing that in a lot of the nicer homes. Okay, sorry. So the blinds are okay. They're going to get warped on this side because it gets the heavy sun. Even with screens on the other side, the screens will help, but it's about 125 max to replace those blinds if we do it. Okay, if I have a light switch. Tile looks great, as do the cabinets, counters, water fixtures, light fixtures. Nice huge bath, really cool looking. Oh, the light switches in this house. Okay. So you could redo the caulking in here if you wanted. Tile all the way to the ceiling. Standard toilet. Pretty good. Okay. And the laundry room's right off of that room, which I presume is the master. It's not tile. I would add tile. Cabinets look good. We have closet doors, closet door guides. I like the raised panel. It's not just the standard raised panel either, so it's a little step up. That's nice. Low maintenance tub, no caulking required. We have towel rods. Ooh, sorry. Okay. This is not a Jack and Jill. Wait. Sorry. What I mean is sometimes there's a door here separating the tub and the sink. Obviously that's not the case. Cabinets, counters look good. Standard room. Light kit, no fan. And there's more. Cabinets look good all throughout the house. So an insulated, strapped-in water heater. And double doors to this room, which is an office. There's no bedroom. It's not, I mean, wow. There's no closet. This is not a bedroom, but it's a nice longer room than some of the other rooms on the other side of the house. So that's it. I'll just do a quick little walkthrough one more time. So this bathroom is right in the center of the house. Then you have this bedroom and the master.